Good morning, guys. Let me hope everyone is doing. I'm a little bit sick, so I'm going to take my medicine. I have malaria. I got malaria, so I'm going to take some medicine. Yeah. So this is. Do you guys wanna watch me take my medication? I'm not feeling well, not at all. Paracetamol. I'm done. Being sick doesn't forbid me from working. So guys, I have to work. I have to work. So, let me fast. So guys, if we have new subscribers here or non-subscribers, if we have new viewers, please kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. Kindly subscribe. Hello, kindly subscribe. I do really appreciate all you do. Love ya, guys. I have to work. Being sick doesn't forbid me from working. So guys, my niece is going back to school on Monday, so she didn't finish this week. She was working on, so we have to keep this week until the next holidays, cause her plating is different from others. It's even different from mine, so no one can try to finish her week. No one can try that. So guys, we're gonna keep this week until the next holidays, you know. Yeah, so let me show you. This is it. We're gonna keep it until the next holiday, you know. Look at her braiding. It's totally different from most of us here. Totally different. So we're gonna keep that till the next holiday. So whoever was interested in that wig, I'm sorry for you guys. You can make orders and give you this. So guys, that's it. um um guys, I never told you before that my niece is the best in making micro braided wigs. Oh my god, she's the best in making micro braided wigs. So guys, if when we get customers here at the shop, how wigs you guys, let me show you so that you can see what I'm talking about. So let me first clean the camera. Guys, take a good look at this. Take a good look at this. Take you there is a difference between this and this. My niece is the one who made this, and another person made this. I think you can see the difference between the two of the wigs. And another person made this, another person made that. Let me show you another wig of my niece. Look at this, guys. Look. She does best wigs, guys. Her wigs are so different from others. Look at that. Every shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.